Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MetaTrader 5 or MT5 together with TradingView in 2026, or how you can basically connect MetaTrader 5 to TradingView. Now, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Then you just have to provide your login credentials in order to log in into your account first. Now, once you have done that, your TradingView homepage is going to look something like this. Over here, use the search bar on the top. Now, you can simply launch any of the charts that you see here in this particular list. For example, let's say I launch the chart of gold in front of me. So once you do this, simply click on the option of the trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now click on the option of show all brokers. Now once you do this, it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers which you can basically link with your TradingView account very easily. So since we want to link MetaTrader 5, you can use the search bar on the top. Then you can simply search for MT5. So as you can see, after typing MT5, it is not showing any MT5 application over here. This simply means that MT5 doesn't have a direct official connection inside TradingView, which means that there is no button that says connect MT5 in the trading panel like you see some of these brokers. So you can't actually place the MT5 trades directly from TradingView. However, you can still use both of the platforms together very easily. So here, when you have launched the chart of, let's say, gold in your TradingView account, you can use these tools that are available here in the left hand section. Afterwards, you just have to basically use your technical skills and you need to start analyzing the chart. Once you have found any of the trades, if you want to punch the order on MetaTrader 5, you can either open MetaTrader 5 application on your phone, or you can open a new tab. Then you can simply search for metatrader5.com. Over here, click on the option of web terminal. Now you need to provide your MT5 login credentials. So these can be the one which you have received from any of the brokers or from any of the funded accounts. You can also log in into your demo MT5 account. Basically, you need to connect your MT5 account over here. Then inside it, you can start punching the orders very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.